Dfy Suite 3.0 is the world's only software that can give you automatic Google rankings, traffic, and sales within just few button clicks. This software can help you in creating unique content and gives you better Google ranking through social syndication and automated backlinks. By the help of this amazing software, your website articles and YouTube videos can reach to thousands of new targeted peoples within just 48 hours. Yup, you can now leverage the power of page 1 rankings via social syndication with no software to install, no software training to learn, no previous SEO knowledge or experience, no social account creation needed, no content needed besides their URL, no proxies or captchas needed. None of that stuff. All you need to do is log into the web-based portal. Submit your keywords and URL you want traffic for. Hit submit and then the software will start working for you automatically. What's new in Dfy Suite 3.0? Doubled their sites, double their ranking power. Now instead of being able to get up to 100 syndication links to your content, you can get up to 1,000. And the domains they've added are all packing a lot more authority. Doubled their platforms, doubled their variation, doubled the speed of rankings. Not only have they doubled their network, but they've also added 2 additional syndication types to get you even more variation. In Dfy Suite 3.0 you now also get blogging and Web 2.0 syndication as well. Automatic, done-for-you video embeds for even faster video rankings. This one might be the best one yet. They're now going to do all of your video syndication and video embedding as well. This alone can deliver you a ton of page 1 rankings. Dfy Suite 3.0 frequently asked questions. Is there any software to download? No. Dfy Suite 3.0 is a 100% done-for-you service where they do all the work for you. All you have to do is submit your URL and keywords. How do the credits work? Simple. 1 credit equals 1 backlink. You choose how many links to send to each URL that you submit with a maximum of 200 links with the Pro license and 500 if you upgrade to their Agency Plus level. With 5,000 credits you can send 100 backlinks to 50 different videos, niche sites, etc. Do I have to pay for proxies or captchas? Absolutely not. The reason they made Dfy Suite 3.0 was so you don't have to worry about anything. Just submit your info, and they take it from there. Are there any upgrade offers, Odos? Yes, they have 4. Upgrade number 1, lock in your discounted rate for monthly credits. Here you'll have the ability to lock in your discounted rate you just got and ensure you have credits every single month. If you wait till later, credits will be a lot more expensive. $1 trial for 30 days, then $47 per m. You'll also be getting a bonus of 2,500 credits each month and increasing the number of links you can send to each URL from 200 up to 500. In total, you'll be getting 7,500 credits every month.